ready?
Yo, if we die, this is pretty cool. Right? Right.
Everybody got their seatbelts on?
No.
No.
There aren't even seatbelts on this side.
Bless me, Father, for it's been 3 years since my last confession. I disobeyed my mother 5 times. I fought with my brothers 6 times.
Anything else?
Yes, Father, I stole things.
What did you steal?
I stole stereos and radios and amplifiers and
How old are you?
17, Father.
17. You've been stealing for 3 years.
And money, Father.
You stole stereos?
Yes, Father.
Radios?
Yes, Father.
Amplifiers?
Yes, Father.
You stole money?
Yes, Father.
In the last 3 years?
Yes, Father. I committed 32 burglaries. One was a church, Father.
Terrible. Steal from stores, steal from a church. It's God's house. Is there any way you can get any of this money? Stereos are never there to people who stole from you.
No, Father. I bring them back on the clock and sure, Father.
Balanced.
Hey! No, you come back in! Come back in, motherfucker! No, hey, come on. You gotta have that shit. Oh,
What a fucking leave, man. Fuck your couch. What that? Dude, not cool. you just jump the curb?